Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make yellow pickled radish easy method. Combine 2 cups grated daikon, 1 cup rice vinegar, 1/2 cup sugar, 1 tablespoon salt, and 1 tsp turmeric for color. Slice daikon about 1/8 inch thick, pack tightly into a clean jar, pour warm brine, press with a weight, seal, and refrigerate. Let flavors meld at least 24 hours before serving for best texture and tang. Gather 2 cups daikon, 1 cup rice vinegar, 1/2 cup sugar, 1 tablespoon salt, 1 tsp turmeric, and a clean quart jar. Peel and slice daikon into uniform 1/8 inch pieces to ensure even pickling and consistent crunch. Heat the vinegar and sugar until sugar dissolves, then stir in salt and turmeric, and allow the brine to cool to lukewarm before pouring over the packed daikon jar for best results. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like this video to support more easy recipe guides. Quick recommendation: Robot Face upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum voice control. It keeps your kitchen floor spotless while you prep pickles. Check the description for the link and other deals, and thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Pack the sliced daikon tightly into a clean jar, leaving a small headspace to allow brine coverage and expansion. Pour the cooled brine slowly to fully submerge the daikon, then press down with a clean weight or folded parchment to remove trapped air. Seal the jar and refrigerate. Check flavor at 24 hours and let it mellow for up to a week for deeper color and balanced pickled taste, adjusting sweetness if necessary.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.